Can you help with the fuzzy front end of innovation? Fuzzy front end. The back end of innovation is innovation management, where you direct resources to developing an innovation concept into a product. The front end of innovation is how you decide what to build, for who, and why. They meet in the middle with ideation and design. I'm James Janiga with Growth Innovation Strategy. We help organizations decide where to grow, what those customers need, and how to make that. I've heard people say there are 5 Ds for innovation: discover, define, design, develop, and deliver.
Just remember the 5 Ds of dodgeball. Dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge. Till next time.
Discover and define are the front end, and what makes them fuzzy is often poor understanding of what needs to get done. Discovery is customer pull. You understand it through engagement and your innovation strategy. Definition is where you expand your knowledge of customer needs and you tie that into your company's push, your organization's strategy. In discovery, you do things like exploratory research, use secondary sources, lurk around in online communities, and do ethnography. You're looking for evidence of changing desires. In definition, you're honing in on the attributes of the customer segment, doing a needs assessment, and coming up with design specifications. You're looking for value proposition and tying that to your strategy. Tying innovation to strategy is a big deal for me. Once you've brought focus to your fuzzy front end, you can do a killer design sprint, prototype development, and deliver with confidence. Follow to learn more.